In this video we are comparing molecules. We are going to focus today on carbon graphite. Carbon graphite is made of only carbon atoms. We can see in this diagram here that this carbon atom is bonded to 1, 2, 3 other carbon atoms. This carbon atom is also bonded to 3 other carbon atoms. Now carbon has 4 electrons in its outer shell, which means there is a 4th electron that is not involved in a bond. Now this electron hangs around in this space here. Now this layer and this layer are separate, but this layer is just made up of spare electrons known as delocalized electrons. Now within the graphite layers here, this bond between the 2 carbon atoms is a very, very strong covalent bond, which means this layer and this layer are held very tightly. However, the delocalized electrons in here mean that the 2 layers can move and slide over each other. Now also, because there are spare electrons in here, it means they can move and they can conduct electricity. Carbon graphite has many uses. It can first and foremost be used as a lubricant, and this is because the layers of graphite are able to move, so they can move from side to side. It is also possible because these layers have very weak intermolecular forces, which is the force between this molecule and this molecule here. Graphite can also be used for an electrode, and that's because the spare delocalized electrons between the layers are able to move from here to here to here and so on, meaning that they're able to conduct electricity, which is what an electrode is needed for.